Just arrived at Rhaeadr Falls car park with the dogs. Just having a quick look at the map at the walls. Quite informative, tells you where to go. It's quite steep to the top, but really worth it. Anyhow, off we go. Just stopped for a 5-minute break and some water and to take in these beautiful views. And yeah, it's just so amazing. I could just about make in the distance. There's people camping at the bottom, which is pretty cool. And right, we're all rested, ready to get back en route. Wow, made it to the top. I think I'll stop for a short break. The dogs look really tired, bless. Just going through the woodlands down to the top of the waterfall. Absolutely stunning views. It's really worthwhile climbing to the top. Very steep drop down there. Right, I'm just going to enjoy myself at the top. And I'll speak to you soon. Heading back down now with the dogs. Absolutely gorgeous day. Really pleased that I came out. I was going to do some drone footage, as you'll see now. It's my first encounter of somebody saying, "Why are you flying that drone? You're not allowed to off public land." I wasn't going to argue with him, so I took the drone back down straight away to avoid any hassle. But yes, you always get the moaners, but there you go.